Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing a clear niche and the reader you will serve. This guides every decision. Once done, register a domain and pick hosting, then configure basic SEO, title structure, primary keyword, and permalinks. Make an editorial outline next so you know what to write. 1 pillar post and 3 supporting posts with a simple publishing cadence. You should be ready to write your first draft today because early momentum beats perfect planning. You now move into content creation and on-page optimization. Write each draft around one focus keyword and use H1 and H2 to map the reader journey. While writing, add images with captions and alt text, insert internal links to your pillar content, and include one clear call to action so readers know the next step. Once written, optimize the meta title, description, and slugs, and make sure your page loads quickly. You publish according to your cadence and immediately promote the post across 3 channels: email, social, and niche communities. Each channel reaches a slightly different reader. Then track KPIs, traffic, bounce rate, and conversion percentage, and monitor top keywords so you can refine content. If you face low traffic, troubleshoot methodically. Confirm pages are indexed, test site speed, and ensure your content matches search intent. Make adjustments and republish snippets. Iterative fixes compound into steady growth.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.